mistakes or the strategy part of it, I think for prelims, solving maximum number of questions is the only thing that works. This year I solved around 110 question papers, and I not only solved them, but I revised them, re-revised them, and also made short micro notes of the concepts that I feel were important. So a list of topics that were important according to me through UPSC papers analysis. That was one thing. And second, I would usually mark the areas which I tend to make mistakes with an R. So these are the areas that we need to focus upon before we give the next attempt if one is not able to qualify prelims in the first go. Second, I think for mains, my entire strategy was about solving as many question papers as I could, writing a lot, writing on each and every area a lot. If it was for me, science and tech was an important but difficult area, so I tried writing those questions from the UPSC previous year's papers. At the same time, one important thing is don't fear evaluation. बहुत सी बार जब हम प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं and especially for mains, we always hesitate कि पेपर कल लिखना है. अगर टेस्ट का डेट डिसाइडेड है 19th है, so till 18th we'd be like yes I will give the paper, but on 19th it is like अब पेपर नहीं देना है, प्रिपरेशन नहीं हुई है, क्या लिखेंगे, कम मार्क्स आएंगे. आई थिंक ये सब साइड में रख के द बेस्ट थिंग वुड बी कि आप जाके पेपर लिखो. आपको जितना आता है आप उतना लिखो, एंड वंस योर पेपर इज इवेल्युएटेड, वन यू विल हैव क्लैरिटी ऑफ you know where you stand. Second, through the evaluation you will get to know which are the areas you were missing out. And third, reading the solution of that test paper, you will understand what are the important areas to read. So you will not spend your time reading another 200 pages book on that one topic. Another thing that I learned for mains preparation was whenever we have questions of around 10 marks or 12 marks, we tend to create around 4 to 5 pages of material just for that one question. Rather than doing that, I think while reading, while solving, while going through any material, remember that your knowledge on a particular topic can be limited to around 200-250 words. And those are the only points you have to replicate in the paper. So rather than accumulating and collecting lot of material on one particular topic, reading from different sources and making that book really scholarly, the best way is एग्जाम में जितना रिक्वायर्ड है उतने पॉइंट्स आप कलेक्ट करो और बस उसको आपको पुट अप करना है. सो रादर देन द आर्ट ऑफ अक्यूमुलेटिंग, द आर्ट ऑफ रेप्लिकेटिंग इन द पेपर बिकम्स इम्पॉर्टेंट. आफ्टर मेन्स, अनदर पॉइंट दैट आई रिमेंबर एंड रियली हेल्प्ड मी इज, I'd like to put it as small is beautiful. The less material you have, the more clear-headed you are and the better able to reproduce you are. So once you know that this is the material I have, you can revise it, you can